What's up everybody? My name is Nick Harrison with Rocky River Woodworks, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the KREG Top Trak on a miter saw fence, miter saw station fence. So the first thing is to get your bar and reference it here. You notice there's this little groove in the back of the bar to help you align your drill bit. So you're going to drill 10 pilot holes into the back of this bar aligned with that groove. And I say 10, that's if you have the 48-inch bar. If you have the 24-inch, it'd probably be less, but make sure you use 1/8 of an inch drill bit for drilling these holes. Next thing is to simply reference this bar and put it on the back of your fence like this, and then slide it over to the edge closest to the saw blade. You're going to do this on the left and the right side of the saw, and then drill those 10 screws through your pilot holes in the metal track into the wood part of your fence. Next step for this, I'm using the solid production stop. Once you get it unboxed, it comes with a threaded knob, the block, and 2 line gauges. So just thread that knob through the back just a little bit to get the thread started. These clear line gauges slide into the dovetail shaped top part of the solid production stop. They can go on either side depending on if you're setting this up on the left or right side of the blade, and they can be moved if you're using one block for both sides. But slide that in, make it to where the part is flush, and then use the black set screws to tighten in there, and then just use a flathead screwdriver to tighten up those gauges. The next thing to do is to cut a set depth or a set length of a stop block. In this case, I'm using a 12-inch stop block. Lower your blade, put the block against the blade, and then slide your metal production stop up to that block. And then I'm using this adhesive measuring tape here to set your width. So you want to line the measuring tape up to where your line gauge on the block is set to whatever your width is. So in my case, it's a 12-inch width, so the line gauge needs to be exactly at 12 inches. And then notice whatever the measurement is at the very end of the track, and then cut your tape to that measurement. Make sure you clean off your T-track before installing the measuring tape adhesive, and then just work your way down installing that measuring tape in the little recess in the track. For some reason your measurement's off, like mine is here, that's okay. You can loosen that black flathead set screw on top and then adjust your the clear line gauge to where it needs to be to make sure your measurement is accurate. Installing the measuring tape on the other side of the saw blade. Make sure that if you're doing this, you're using the adhesive tape that reads right to left instead of left to right, depending on what side of the saw blade you're doing. Alright, so that's the installation of the KREG Top Trak on the miter saw station with the solid production stop blocks. They also make a flip stop that you can purchase too. I just decided not to do that. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for future woodworking videos. If you have any questions on how I did things or comments, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.